We started with leaf yesterday. We're gonna go into something bigger. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you've got MEŞە. MEŞە. MEŞە is a forest, woods or woodland. Let's take a look at some phrases by using these words. In the forest, deep in the woods, protected woodland. Let's see. Here, two versions. In the forest, you can say meşədə or meşə içində. İçində means inside. Now, deep in the woods, you can say meşə dərinliyində or meşənin dərinliyində. Now, let's give a little clarification. Meşədə, də suffix means in the. Meşənin of is basically in the depth of the woods. That's why. Qorunan MEŞə ərazisi, protected woodland. MEŞə ərazisi means forest area or woodland. Qorunan, protected. Now, sentences. Səhər tezdən, meşə içində yığılan dumanın arasından günəş şüaları süzülürdü. Quşların səsi isə sükutu zərifcə pozurdu. Poetic sentence. Early in the morning, sun rays filtered through the mist gathered in the forest, while the sound of birds gently broke the silence. Səhər tezdən, early in the morning, sun rays, günəş şüaları, filtered through the mist, gathered in the forest. Gathered in the forest, meşə içində yığılan, filtered through the mist, dumanın arasından süzülürdü. Filtered, dumanın arasından, meaning in between the mist. Now, quşların səsi isə, while the sound of birds, bird quş, quşlar birds, quşların of birds. Gently, zərifcə, broke the silence, sükutu pozurdu. Sükut, silence, pozurdu, broke. Next one. Yerli icma, qorunan meşə massivində yeni cığırlar salmaqla həm təbiəti qorumağı, həm də ziyarətçilərin təhlükəsiz hərəkətini təmin etməyi planlaşdırır. Now, the local community plans to build new trails for the protected forest area, aiming both to preserve nature and to provide visitors with safe passages. Yerli icma, local community, straightforward. Qorunan meşə massivində, in the protected forest area, let's see, yeni cığırlar salmaqla, by building, I'm giving you literal translation, by building new trails, həm təbiəti qorumağı, both to preserve nature, həm də ziyarətçilərin təhlükəsiz hərəkətini təmin etməyi, and to provide visitors with safe passages. Planlaşdırır, aims, planning. Now, yerli icma, local community, qorunan meşə massivində, in the forest area, but then when you build those trails, you build it for that area. So that is why how the translation looks like. Now, that was today's word. How else we can use it? My 5-minute hike turned into survival saga in the MEŞə. It happens. Now, to support you in your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. Please feel free to download and start learning from Module 1. I'm giving it completely free. It is the foundational module. Highly recommended to do it multiple times to nail it down. Because once you pass it, once you master that, the rest is easy. Now, I'm also giving away all the vocabulary there from all the modules there, plus future modules that I'm building. I have masterazerbaijani.com as well, where I've been posting blogs every 10 days since November 2025 on various topics, including language and grammar tips. Feel free to check this out as well. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.